Trying to choose between Stash, Wealthfront, and a Betterment, here's a quick breakdown. Stash is built for beginners. It's super hands-on. You pick your own stocks or ETFs, set up automatic investments, and even earn stock rewards when you spend with your debit card. It's more like training wheels for new investors, but with a monthly fee starting at $3. Wealthfront and Betterment are true robo-advisors. They build and manage your portfolio for you based on your goals and risk level. Wealthfront leans more techy with great planning tools and high internet cash accounts. Betterment focuses on personalization, socially responsible investing, and easy retirement planning. If you want to learn and pick stocks yourself, go with Stash. If you want to set it and forget it, Wealthfront and Betterment are better picks. Bottom line is Stash is best for beginners who want to control their outcomes, or a Wealthfront is ideal for tech savvy savers. Betterment's great if you want a sleek, hands-off experience with strong guidance. If you found this helpful, well, like and subscribe, and want a deeper comparison, drop a comment. I'll break it down.